Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Krakow, Poland, and I'm at the Chair Monument. It's to the Jewish people that suffered through the whole Third Reich SS kind of Nazi thing, and it's just a monument of a bunch of empty chairs. We showed you, or I showed you the in Vienna, where the books were all turned backwards, and they killed 65,000 Jewish people. This is the monument of the chairs. This is also the ghetto section too. So let me show you what I'm looking at here. So this is the chair monument, and there's just chairs in different fashions. So 3 chairs and big chairs and small chairs, and this used to be a marketplace where the Jewish people used to come and shop and everything else. And then after, you know, the whole Nazi occupation and that kind of stuff, they and I could be really wrong, so you could really check all this, but if my reading is correct, that they came and they turned this into the ghetto, and so this was all walled off at one point. And there's lights underneath each chair, and I think at night it lights up, but it is just a whole section of a whole square of nothing but empty chairs. And I don't think they do anything here anymore. They don't hold markets here, they don't hold Christmas, they don't hold anything. It's just chairs. Just chairs. Yeah. Pretty sombering experience, actually. Empty chairs. I guess that's probably the most important part. So, marketplace that used to be thriving and bustling and happy and upbeat and kids and families and everything else, and now we have just alone empty chairs. And it's interesting too, there's not very many of them that are near each other, you know, so it's like you could be sitting in your chair and not have, you know, conversation or, you know, somebody to talk to. Just empty chairs. Anyway, this is the ghetto in Krakow, everybody. The things we do to people. Terrible. No more wars, okay, everybody? Can we just agree? No more wars. Okay, that's it for me. And it's a tourist spot, so there's lots of tourists that come through here. And this is on the way to Schindler's factory over that way too. So anyway, all right, thanks for coming, everybody. Bye.